Picture this. You open the mailbox and the premium notice makes your stomach drop. Or worse, the claim your family counted on gets denied. That's usually the moment people realize the story they've been told about life insurance doesn't match reality. Let's fix that. We're about to torch 5 myths that still get repeated like gospel. Keep watching and, by the end, you'll know the exact questions to ask before the next bill shows up. Myth: life insurance is way too expensive. Quick poll. How many assume a $250,000 term policy costs about $1,000 a year? If you're nodding, you've got a lot of company. 43% of millennials guess that number. Reality check. A healthy 30-year-old can lock in that coverage for about $13 a month. That's one streaming plan you forgot to cancel. The price balloon only inflates when people quote permanent policies while shopping for term. Know the difference and the sticker shock disappears. Myth: I'm young and healthy, so I can wait. Feels sensible, right? Here's the twist. Life insurance is the only thing that penalizes you for procrastination. A 20-year term bought at 25 runs less than half the cost at 45. Add in the fact that an MRI, a blood test, or a random health scare can rewrite your eligibility overnight, and waiting looks less like patience, more like gambling. Buy it while your medical chart is boring. Myth: my job gives me coverage, so I'm set. Employer plans are cozy, until the layoff email lands or you chase a better gig. Most group policies pay 1 year's salary, which barely covers the mortgage, let alone college funds. And if you develop a condition while employed, private insurers might slam the door. Treat workplace coverage like a side dish, not the whole meal. If you're tired of money myths dressed up as advice, hit subscribe. New videos drop weekly, and you'll hear about them before the next rate hike. Myth: only the breadwinner needs coverage. Stay-at-home parents, lean in. Replacing everything you do. Daycare runs, meal prep, carpool chaos. Runs about $50,000 a year. If something happens, the surviving spouse still has to bring home a paycheck and suddenly pay for all the free labor. A small policy on the non-working partner keeps the household engine from seizing. Myth: I'm too old or too sick to qualify. Not anymore. Simplified issue and guaranteed issue policies skip the exam and still pay the bills. Sure, they cost more than term, but they beat leaving the kids with credit card debt, funeral invoices, and a stack of taxes. Seniors can even grab small whole life policies to prepay final expenses and keep the estate cookie jar away from Uncle Sam's reach. Conclusion. Bottom line. Life insurance isn't a luxury, a riddle, or tomorrow's problem. It's a time-stamped contract that rewards speed and punishes delay. If any of these myths sounded familiar, pause the video and grab a quick term quote. 10 minutes today buys your family 10 years of breathing room tomorrow. Ready for the next step? The deep dive on choosing the right term length is waiting. Links right here. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.